Let's begin our practice with deep inhales and exhales. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just for a moment, close your eyes and ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Let's gently open our eyes and bring our attention to our feet. Start gently move your feet, maybe roll from toes to the heel. Don't force it. Make it natural. Am I feeling grounded here? Am I feeling support? Am I supported? Gently move your attention to your hips and your pelvis. Maybe start making circular movement or shift your hips from one side to another. Is it heavy in the center? What am I feeling here? Don't force the movement. Let it be light. Now move your attention to your chest and to your shoulders. See how they are moving. Would they want to move together or separate? Maybe you can bring your shoulders up and down. Feel. And ask yourself here, where is the breath in this movement? How the air is flowing. Now bring your attention to your head. Maybe gently start nodding your head up to the front and back, side. And ask yourself, how is the rhythm of the movement correlates with my inner feeling? Is it too fast? Do I have to slow down? Now shift your attention to your arms and to your wrists. Maybe gently start shaking them. Or if you want, you can draw in the air, asking yourself, what am I want to release through this shaking? And with the shaking of your hands You're welcome to invite all your body parts into the dance. Make sure all body parts are involved. But don't force yourself. Allow your body to move in its own pace. Don't fly away with your thoughts. Concentrate on your movements. What your body wants to tell you. Do you feel lightness? Your body, your movements. I know how to move. I move the way I want to move. Allow yourself to move the way you want to move. Let that movement take you away from your thoughts. Where is your attention now? Is it the feet or your hips? What wants to speak in this dance the most? And gently, very gently, one body part at a time, we're slowing down our movement. We're slowing down the dance. Maybe close your eyes here to reflect on the feelings. When you're ready, get yourself back to the still position. Maybe place your hands on your pelvis and ask yourself, how am I feeling now? Is it different from when I started the practice? And gently tell yourself, my body, my movements. I choose the way I move. I know how to move. And let's do one more inhale and exhale here. Thank you very much for this practice. I hope this practice helped you to get control or a sense of control back to you. I'll see you next time. Bye.